In this video, we are going to review the best 4K camera for filmmakers available in the current market. After reviewing 10 4K camera and interviewing 50 users, we built this best list. Number 1. Sony A7S II. The A7S II offers internal 4K video recording, uncompressed 14-bit RAW, 5-axis image stabilization, high-speed AF, while maintaining its legendary low-light capability. Another huge advantage this camera has is its glorious full-frame sensor. This is where Sony's competitors such as the Panasonic GH5 comes short. I am personally a huge fan of full 35mm sensors, since it can pack in more light that can deliver better results, as well as a Number 2. Panasonic GH5. The GH5 is a very interesting and well-priced camera that can shoot 4K footage internally with Panasonic's log picture profile. V-Log. The GH5 is a huge improvement over the GH4 and even has some advantages over my beloved A7S II. The menu system and the layout of the buttons and dials make a lot more sense to me and feel much more accessible and intuitive. Number 3. Sony A7Sii. If the A7S II is a bit too pricey, then I would look into its predecessor, the A7S. It still has a lot of the perks and great options as the A7S II and could still do 4K externally when paired with something like the Atom's Shogun. It is also very noticeable when using the cameras on a gimbal or on a slider. The 5-axis stabilization can help smooth out some of the minor bumps or motor vibrations that a gimbal might have. Number 4. Canon 5D MKIV. The 5D series has a long legacy, especially for stills, and is one of the Canon bodies that made shooting video on a DSLR camera popular. Sometimes Sony cameras, especially when paired with the very sharp Zeiss Sony lens lineup, can feel ultra sharp, which come closer to a National Geographic video feel rather than the film look. Number 5. Canon C200. The continuous AF autofocus function for all autofocus lenses the Canon C200 offers is really incredible. It uses a new dual-pixel CMOS AF technology with a new AF lock setting that lets you change the framing while holding the focus on the desired part of your composition. This is great for filmmakers with smaller crews, YouTubers.
No,